In a village lived a young man named Araf. He dreamed of becoming a great writer. His heart was filled with the ideas. His mind is overflowed with imagination. But there was one problem. He never stuck to anything for a long. One day he would write 2 pages of a story, but the next day he would quit. Another time he decided to write a journal, but after 3 days he left it unfinished. Week passed, month passed, although his dream remained alive. His action was scattered like a pieces of incomplete puzzle. One evening, frustrated with himself, he went to a riverside where he saw an old man carve the shape using a nothing but a small chisel. Arav was amazed. How could a small tool like this can shape a stone? Curious, he asked to Baba, "How long you are working on this rock?" The old man smiled and replied, "Every day for 1 hour for the past 2 years." Arav was shocked. "Past 2 years? With just a small chisel? Did not you get tired or lose hope?" The old man looked at with a gentle eyes and smile and said, "Son, the chisel could not carve the rock, but my consistency, my daily effort is what make impossible to possible. The rock does not changes in one strike, but every strike count it. Is not the force one blow, but the repetition of many that shape it." Those words struck Arav deeper than chisel struck the stone. That night, he returned home and decided to test the power of consistency for himself. Instead of promising to write a whole book, he decided small commitment that he would write just 1 page every single day without fail. The first week was exciting. His mind was full of ideas, but and his pen danced on the paper. But soon the laziness and the doubt tried to creep him. Some nights he felt tired, some morning he felt uninspired. But Arav remembered the old man's word that every strike counts. On the hardest day, he wrote at least few lines. Days returned to weeks, week turns to month, and month turned to year. Slowly the pages pile up, 100 to 200 pages to 300 pages until one day a thick stack of paper lay on his desk. Arav had completed his first book. But the story did not end there. Arav sent his book to publishers. At first time, many rejected it. All doubts returned whispering, "Maybe you are not good enough." But now Arav had learned the secret of consistency. Instead of giving up, he kept writing another page, another book, another submission. After 2 years of steady effort, one of his books published. Soon the readers began to admire him for his work. His work inspires thousands of people. Arav, the young man who turned his dream to reality from writing 1 page to each day. So, my dear friends, remember this success does not come from what you do in a while, it comes from what you do every single day. Like the drop of water can carve the valleys, on the chisel shape the stone.